Here we are doing close to 80 miles an hour. We've only passed 3 or 4 cops in the last half mile, and Chris is blowing past people like it's race day.
Bus traffic survey.
Oh. Hey, can I ask you a question? Guess not. Where the hell are we?
That's not too far. We're only 3 miles away from Bell Valley.
Bell Valley. Check it out, that's a huge bird.
Yeah, look at that. It's freaking hot.
Holy shit, that thing's large.
Look at the bus. They should be coming back in heat.
What?
Huh?
Should be coming back in heat pretty soon?
Hinkley.
You sound like you're from West Virginia. Like, hey, we'll come back and eat perfect.
I'm not be there for that. Birds coming back to Hinkley with buzzards and all. It's a big case for Hinkley. We have parties, celebrate, lots of beer.
Lots of beer, alcohol, and bitches.
That's right. You know, we have our annual / birds coming back to Hinkley party. They're big birds.
Big bird.
They're big birds. I remember one that girl on the head. What kind of kind of scar? They get mad as hell. Everyone knows they just laugh. They thought it was funny. Girl, that thing was so funny. So he was that poor bird.
What are we doing now, 80? Is that it, 80?
Nah, we're doing a little over 80. We're doing about 84, 85 miles an hour now.
Good one.
I keep it up a little bit if you fall.
Yeah, do 100.
Alright, we do 100 miles an hour. There we go, around 85. Couple bands, pretty sharp third band, some character band, you know.
Oh shit, cops.
I think I better just slow it all down.
Just kidding.
Alright, here we go. See that? Jesus loves you.
Jesus does love me.
Jesus loves everybody. He got lots of love.
I don't think Jesus loves you.
Like that is just me making that God's back joke. I think I heard you chuckle a little. Here we go. We're hitting 90 miles an hour going up the hill now. We're going down there. We're going a lot faster than that. That policeman behind me with the side slope.
I don't think so.
I wasn't worried about it anyhow. I wasn't worried about it anyhow. She was slowed down again.
Your boy know why I stopped you.
Nah, sir, she sure don't. Am I going fast? My friend's car, his speedometer don't work right. Over 35 miles. A little higher. Pull it back up there. Georgia. South Georgia. Look, here we go. Going over 9 miles an hour now. Please, go 95 miles an hour. That Shasta. That's what we say last. Yeah, she back speed down big time.
That was a radar.
Oh, shit, that's all that shit was?
Well, that's what airplanes up the sky about.
Pull you over a bit. Hi, y'all, look at IHOP. You like the warm sear there? I get some warm sear out of that there. That's pretty good shit. Y'all want twos and hotcakes, or y'all just want the hotcakes on the toast? Oh, y'all want them both? Okay, I sure enough. I'll write that down right now.
How do you spell hotcakes?
Hotcakes, you got H-O-K-K-A. Hotcakes. K-E-S. Hotcakes.
Shit, watch your car, man.
You know what? I'm gonna get out of my way. Hot cake. That's how you smell hot cake. You know how you eat hot cake? Hot cakes are good with butter. And warm sear. Got to have that warm sear. That's the road right there. A little couple people lying behind you now. It's crazy, by the way.